Hello everyone, this is Neha Badlani, Energy Tarot Reader with Cool Kanya. Here's your weekly prediction, Aries. You are at the onset of your journey, Aries. It's almost like you're standing on the cliff's edge and about to take your first step into the big, wide, wild unknown. It's important to assert yourself right now and go for exactly what you want. There is strength in adversity. So, if some of you are facing a difficult time, look at what the silver lining is because you've got what it takes to surpass these difficult moments. Even though you don't exactly know where you're going, you are being called to commit to yourself, Aries, and follow your heart no matter how crazy this leap of faith might seem. Now is the time you need to trust where the universe is taking you. So for some of you, you can dive deep and know what is it that you truly want. For those of you who don't have a clear picture, it's okay to take the leap of faith because the stars are, watching you and the universe has your back no matter what. However, stay alert and vigilant. You don't need to wait for someone to give you the green light or hold off until you have all the skills, tools, and resources that you think you might need. You are ready. If you've been waiting for a sign to, go ahead with something, this is the sign you've been looking for. In summary, take that leap of faith. Challenge those in power if you have to, because you will come out as the winner on the other side, and you are ready to make all these wondrous life changes that you've been, waiting for all this while. Have a fantastic week. Taurus. You may be faced with a complex decision this week, Taurus. It's almost like it's difficult to choose between so many options that are available to you. It's advisable to do some research or seek counsel from a mentor. It could be someone from your industry, it could be a father figure, a father, someone you look up to, or just, the support of your tribe. It's time to stop procrastinating and just get busy right now. Others may try to oppose your plans. There could be some competition, or someone could try and make things difficult for you, or even attack what you're putting out into the world. But just know this, Taurus, that people do this often because they're projecting their own insecurities and fears onto you. So don't let anyone get to you this time around. You are a change maker. You have a vital message to share in the world. So don't let anyone dim your light, Taurus, because of others' insecurities and fears. Try to focus, make realistic plans, have achievable goals, and nothing can stop you this week. In summary, choose from all the multiple options that you have and make the choice that aligns with you completely. Protect your position. If you are in a position of power, don't let anyone challenge you. If somebody is challenging you, stand up for what you believe in and shine your light far and bright. Have a fantastic week. Gemini. The energies are indicating, education or further studies in order to hone your skills. This does not mean that, you're not proficient in a particular skill set or you're not good at what you do, but you are now seeking, you're now seeking to master those skills and take things to the next level. You know that it's going to require a lot of focus, a lot of dedication, if you're going to take this route of higher studies, but you are willing to put in the hard work and pay attention to details. Some of you may want to take the detour from, a conventional life or your conventional job and launch a new business or set out on a different journey than what you had planned for yourself earlier. The answer is a yes this week. But also know that all these plans that you're trying to make or the new skills that you're trying to gather, you may not get them overnight, but you are prepared, Gemini, for the journey towards becoming the master of your own destiny, of your own expertise. Your intuition and psychic abilities are so heightened at this time, so take advantage of that and tune in. Continue working on yourself and making ongoing improvements and adjustments, to this life that you've envisioned for yourself. Just ensure that you can, that you're becoming the best version you can be for yourself. In summary, further education will help your career, hone your skills and become an expert, claim your destiny and follow your intuition. Have a fantastic one. Cancer. Your choices and vision are supported by an incredibly benevolent universe, Cancer. It's almost like the universe is reminding you how very powerful you are. And when you step into faith, use your gifts, and take responsibility and action, you can really create the life of your dreams. I also feel for some of you, it's time to reevaluate the situation because there could be an opportunity that you're missing, which is right in front of you. Fortunately, positive forces are working to assist you right now. So open your eyes to these possibilities, look at the finer print of things, look at areas you weren't considering before. There could be some hidden gems there. It's possible that you are, by focusing on what you don't have, you are taking for granted the good things that you do have and all the things that have been working in your favor. I feel like Cancer, you need a good shake up this week, and I want to tell you that you should be affirming this to yourself. I can be anything. There is nothing that I cannot do or be. It starts with me here. It starts with me now. With this mantra, I think you can manifest everything you set yourself out to. In summary, something's missing, but you have the power to find it. Incredible potential to start new ventures and to take new decisions, and tap into your natural talents and abilities, which will take you far and wide. Have a fantastic one. Leo, I feel like some of you have really hit hard times right now, especially when it comes to your work, career, finances, or just material possessions. But you know what? Be silent. Experience the joy that comes from seeking the truth of your own heart. Now is not the time to make any moves. Learn to feel comfortable in your own company, because I sense a sense of loneliness in some of you, which can also be a result of entrepreneurship. So don't make any hasty decisions with regards to savings, investing, spending this week, Leo. Seek advice from appropriate experts, be it legal advice, be it financial advice. People are here to support you. The universe is here to support you. Find these people and let them know that you need them instead of feeling isolated. Over time, the positive aspects will continue to flow, and this feeling of lack and not having enough will soon be a thing of the past. You will benefit from spending time alone this week, so listen to your inner voice as well, because there are answers there. In summary, seek expert advice. If it's getting too isolating, then yes, do reach out to people. Otherwise, make use of this isolation for productivity and channeling just your authentic truth. Reevaluate your plans if you must, and budget your expenses, and just don't make any new moves this week. Have a fantastic one, Leo. Virgo. Be open, Virgo, to exploring your passions and your big ideas. You may find yourself drawn to a particular passion or hobby, and now is the time to turn it into something tangible. While you're in no hurry to reach the finish line, keep in mind that true imagination feeds on action, so it's important to play hit on the accelerator. Creative and inspiring career possibilities are coming into view right now. Now it's time to embrace new adventures that present themselves. This could be on the personal or the professional front. Innovative ideas should enthusiastically be pursued. Don't mull on them, just go for it. This is a good time as any to take risks in order to follow your dreams. Of course, there would be calculated risks, but don't overthink it, because you are ready. If you want to change your life, now is the time, Virgo. In summary, exciting new offers make their way. It's an opportune time for you in general, and put imagination to action and see the positive results come about. Have a fantastic Libra. If someone or something has disappointed you, find it in your heart to forgive the person. I feel like this has come about in your readings quite often in the last few weeks. I hope you can finally release yourself from this disappointment. If you are frustrated with yourself, know that you've done the best you could under all the circumstances. Also, with COVID and the current environment, things have been tough. You can't be so hard on yourself, Libra. You've done the best you could and learned from all your mistakes. You needn't stay in your present situation if you're unhappy. If something in this moment, be it a job or a career choice, is making you unhappy, you have the power to find a new way out and make changes. If you can't see these, look again. There is something lurking. There are plenty of possibilities available for you for freeing yourself from these situations in healthy and harmonious ways. First, I want you to feel more confident in your abilities, Libra. You have all the resources it takes for you to make a powerful life for yourself. Believe in yourself. Keep your thoughts positive right now. The key to freedom and success at this time is to see the truth of the situation and then to act with faith. In summary, don't be afraid of taking actions or making changes for a better life. Setbacks are going to be overcome in time, and move on from failures, because there is future possibilities that awaits you. Have a fantastic one. Scorpio. You've committed to learning about your career, vocation, or project, and you're very focused right now. You're definitely on the right track, Scorpio. Your dedication, skills, and talents are appreciated and are rewarded. If not, they soon will be rewarded. Bright chances are up for grabs, and it's about time to share your accomplishments with the world. If some of you shy away from doing that, please take to social media and talk about what you've achieved and share your work and your passion and your projects. Let your strengths, talents, and true qualities be seen, Scorpio. Do what warms you up inside. I mean, the universe is supporting everything that aligns with who you really are. So make sure your actions and words are, they stand true to your authentic self. There's a burst of energy and vitality. So take advantage of this extra stamina and this, feel good physical energy that's going to be available to you in the coming week. Focus on personal growth in all aspects of life, even though it's about a job or career. See how the learnings from there could help you personally expand as a person. In summary, enthusiasm and clarity make their way, plans materialize and things go successfully, increase energy and vigor are available to you, so make the most of it. Have a fantastic one. Sagittarius. The energy of change is constant and neutral. It's our reaction to that change that determines the positive or negative course these changes take. Expect and enjoy beneficial new opportunities as they present themselves. This is an optimal time to make big or small changes. It could be, change in the way of your thinking. It could be a habit. It could be a pattern that you want to break free from. Take the leap with the knowledge that everything will work out well for you because the stars are shining upon you. All blocks are lifting and everything now moves rapidly. Remove all distractions and sort of devote yourself to the tasks at hand. Be it at work, be it at a business, if it's entrepreneurship, if it's launching a new venture, make sure you go forth with total concentration, determination, and will. This experience of this time can be highly productive and beneficial for you, and you can accomplish a lot in a short period of time. There's no stopping you right now, Sagittarius, and you're bursting with energy and ideas, and you cannot wait to achieve all the tasks that you've set out for yourself. In summary, rapid advancements at work and career, things are going to move at great speed, or maybe some good news also comes your way, and positive deviations from challenges and obstacles come your way. Have a fantastic Capricorn. A recent or upcoming event has been or will be a huge wake-up call for you, Capricorn, to make some life changes. This may be a new revelation or something that you've known all this while but have been procrastinating on. Now you've realized that the situation can no longer be ignored and action is necessary. Allow these new insights to motivate you and embrace the part of your heart's true desires and finally listen to that calling. This has come as both an awakening, but it can also bring a lot of liberation and freedom. So even if it feels unpleasant on the surface, know that there is a breakthrough that's written under all of this. The way you approach your work, career, finances, beliefs, or just how you operate in the world or function in this world is forever changing. In your creative projects and endeavors, you feel your way into them instead of thinking your way into them, and you trust your heart's inner guidance to lead you to the right direction. This is the approach for you in the coming week, Capricorn, so keep your heart open. You know when something is off or not quite aligned, and you should pay attention to this gut feeling, even if it doesn't make rational sense. In summary, suddenly seeing the truth of situations, rapid, inevitable changes making their way, and feel more than think is the approach you should work with. Have a fantastic week, Capricorn. Aquarius. Remember to enjoy time with people around you, be it family, be it colleagues, be it your tribe. Handle any challenges with understanding and warmth this week. You don't want to get into any conflicts, but also make sure that you have the confidence and make sure that you have the confidence and resources at work, in your favor. So there's no need to sort of be aggressive about anything. You are looked after. The energy reflects permanence and creating a lasting foundation for success. So it is about commitment. It's about a sustainable future, and not just taking into consideration short-term goals. So if it's any venture you're launching, or if it's a career goal, if you're switching jobs, keep the long-term focus in mind. A consistent approach will achieve the success and sort of, last the test of time. Some of you I see are the provider or the breadwinner of the family, bringing in financial security and stability to your family, ensuring they have everything they need, to live a happy and comfortable life. And it brings you great joy and satisfaction to see your loved ones enjoying your wealth and abundance and doing well and looked after. All in all, I'll say, whereas everything will eventually come into force together, and things will fall in place. Be proud of everything you've achieved, and give yourself a pat on the back. In summary, have a balanced approach to career and finances, and look at the long term and larger picture this week. Relish all the wealth you've accumulated. Financial security will fall into place if that is dwindling at the moment. Have a fantastic week. Pisces. See yourself as the creator of your future, Pisces, and be ready to take the necessary steps to make it happen. Be assertive in getting what you want. It's also time to question rules, regulations, restrictions, limited beliefs that you or someone else has placed on you. But I feel it's more of your own doing. This can, once you start questioning this and start breaking away from these restrictions, it can lift previous blocks to manifestation of your goals. If you are pursuing a specific goal, or some of you might pursue a specific goal thinking it's what you want, but throughout the journey later you might realize it's not in alignment with who you are, or either it's hit a dead end. It's okay to take a detour, but a little planning and preparation always goes a long way, so keep that in mind for the coming week. Use the power of your intellect, Pisces, and those communication skills that always work wonders for you to achieve your goals. In summary, be proactive, don't wait for others. If you want to make changes and break free, go ahead and do it. Careful planning will go a long way, and intellect and communication do the trick. Have a fantastic week.